Welcome back, yogis, to Become Yoga School's YouTube channel. This is Yoga for Bedtime. So go ahead and grab a cup of tea and join me in bed, lying on your back, getting ready for sleepy time. Breathe in, breathe out. We're going to start on our backs with our left foot dangling from the bed. You're going to physically take the left toes, the toenail edge of the foot, and land them on the floor if that reaches. If it doesn't reach, you could add some pillows or yoga blocks. We're going to press into the front of that left foot, opening up the fascia line across the anterior side of the body, the front side of the body, starting to tell our bodies it is time for rest. Press gently into the top of that left foot. You're going to walk your right foot in, raise your left leg in the air, cross it over the opposite thigh, and then pull the bottom leg in here for your figure four stretch. This is also our modification for king pigeon pose on our backs. Feel your shoulders relax, and if you want to kind of wag this side to side, go ahead. Straighten your right leg in the air, press through the heel, add your left leg. Reach your hands to your toes. Maybe you can find a bind here. You could add a yoga strap, a robe, a long sleeve t-shirt, or you could just reach as far as you can. Excellent. Rest the head, reach the arms behind you, breathe in, roll onto your tummy, sending your legs apart on the mattress, hands under the forehead. Bend your knees, shake out your toes, make sure they feel good. You could circle them to and fro. And then release your feet. Bring your palms beside you, lifting up to locust pose. As you rest, bring your hands under forehead. Lift the chest, breaststroke back, Shalabhasana. Hands under forehead, rest. Inhale, lift, press and open. Exhale, hands to forehead, rest. Inhale, lift, open, pressing the front edges of your feet onto the mattress. Press, open, push, engage, and recover. And then we're going to switch sides, so crawl yourself around so that your other foot can access the floor. Reach your arms behind your head once you're on your back. Take your right foot onto the ground, physically touch the ground, walk it back a little bit, and then let the top of the foot press into the floor, the block, the pillows that you've added. Feel the front hip lift up and out, getting a nice stretch through your right hip flexors. Breathe in, breathe out. Let the shoulders drop into the mattress. Eyes can be opened or closed. Just let it happen. We're moving some lymph around, we're moving the fascia around. These are different tissues and fluids in the body that decide whether or not we're sleepy. Take this leg up and over your thigh, cross through the back of the leg, pull it in. Same thing here on this figure four, wiggle it a little side to side, rock it left and right, or just hold the stretch. Straighten this leg up. Add your second leg, two heels pushed to the sky, this time hands underneath the hips. Lower your right leg toward the mattress, bend the knee, cycle it through and lift. Lower left leg, bend the knee. Now notice the feet here, flat foot to lower, pointed toes, cycle it through, flat foot to lower, point the toes, cycle it through. Right leg, cycle. And left leg, cycle, easy movement, draw knees, drop the feet. Take your hands out and then open the legs to goddess pose, Baddha, Supta, Konasana. Make a diamond shape with your legs. Lift your right foot, cross it over the left foot if that's comfortable for you. If not, just keep the feet together. And then let your hands just relax behind your head here, letting gravity do the stretch for you. Opening up through our hip flexors. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in. When you're ready, switch feet, take the other foot on top, and here I like to think ankle bone to ankle bone, but how it fits your body might be slightly different. Feel free to play around there until you find the perfect fit. We do want a sense of openness through the hips, knees, ankles, but we never want to feel tense. As you continue to breathe here, maybe the elbows can drop down. Maybe the knees can have a slight amount of outer pressure, and soften the body in between. Gently take your hands to fold your knees together, and then roll onto your other side into the fetal position. Breathe in. Reach the arm up, grab your cup of tea, and take a sip. Make sure you like, subscribe, and click the bell. Clicking the bell will let you know when we have new videos dropped. You can comment down below and let us know if you have any other ailments you are looking to solve with yoga. We make new videos every Wednesday, and until I see you next time, please remember to inhale positive and exhale negative.